Mixed Division 1, 2s, 5s and 10s. In this nugget, we're going to be dividing by 2, 5 and 10. Before we start dividing, we need to be able to count in 2s, 5s and 10s. Let's start by counting in 2s. See if you can count with me. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Now let's practice counting in 5s. Can you count with me? Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Now let's count in 10s. Ready to count with me? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Now it's your turn. Count in 2s, 5s and 10s to fill the gaps in these number tracks. Pause the video and have a go. For this first number track, you had to count in 10s. Well done if you knew that the missing numbers were 30, 60, 80 and 110. For the next number track, you had to count in 2s. Well done if you knew that the missing numbers were 8, 14, 18 and 22. And finally, for the last number track, you had to count in 5s. Well done if you knew that the missing numbers were 15, 30, 35 and 50. If you can count confidently in 2s, 5s and 10s, then you're ready to get dividing. To help us divide by 2, 5 and 10, we'll look at how you can use number lines and your fingers to help you. As you become more confident, you should aim to divide in your head. Here we have 20 divided by 5. This is the same as saying how many groups of 5 are there in 20. If we have dots or counters, we can count them into groups of 5. So here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first group of 5. Now on to the next group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another group. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the final group. So here we have 4 groups of 5. This means that 20 divided by 5 equals 4. What if we didn't have counters? Well, we could draw a number line to help us. We are dividing by 5, so we need to make 5 jumps on the number line. We are dividing 20, so this is the number that we need to jump up to. When we're using a number line to help us divide, we must always start from 0. Now we jump along the number line counting in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. This is where we stop because this is the number that we're dividing. Now, all we need to do is count the number of jumps that we've made. So that's 4. So this number line also shows us that 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Now let's look at this division calculation. 18 divided by 2. We'll use another number line to help us solve it. Remember, we must always start at 0. We're dividing by 2, so we need to make jumps 2. And we need to keep jumping until we get to 18, as this is the number that we are dividing. Can you count in twos with me all the way up to 18? Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Now we just need to count the number of jumps. There are 9 jumps in total, so that means that 18 divided by 2 equals 9. You can also use your fingers to help you. Rather than drawing a number line, you can count 2 on each finger. Keep counting until you get to the number that you are dividing. Then, all you need to do is count the number of fingers that you have counted on. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Here we've counted on 9 fingers, so this method has also helped us to know that 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Now it's your turn. Have a go at answering these division calculations. If you need to, you can use number lines or your fingers to help you. If you can solve them in your head, then that's even better. Pause the video and have a go. Now let's go through the answers. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 55 divided by 5 equals 11. And 90 divided by 10 equals 9. Well done if you got them all right. So remember, when dividing by 2, 5 and 10, you should first be able to count in multiples of 2, 5 and 10. Once you can do this, you can use number lines or your fingers to help you. As you become more confident, you will be able to divide by 2, 5 and 10 in your head.